Welcome to our Windows software dashboard. From the dashboard, you can monitor and analyze all your activities in one place. You can view the total number of messages sent, active devices connected, contacts created, and templates available in your account. All key statistics and performance data can be accessed directly from the dashboard. Now, let's connect a WhatsApp number to the software. Go to the Devices section and click on Add Device. Enter a device name, such as your company name, and then click on Create Device QR Code. After create, click on Show QR and scan it in your WhatsApp. Connected will show. After that, we will go on Contact section and click on New Group. You can put Name Demo. See 3 options for importing contacts: Manual Add, Copy Paste, and Excel Import. If you already have an Excel file containing contact numbers, you can import it directly. Alternatively, you can copy numbers from an Excel sheet and paste them into the software using the Copy Paste option. After adding the numbers, click on Add to Group. The software will verify whether the numbers are active on WhatsApp. Verified numbers will be displayed accordingly. Now we have successfully created a contact group and connected our device. Next, let's create a message template. Go to the Templates section and click on Create Template. You'll find multiple template types available. For this example, we'll select Mixed Interactive Buttons. Enter a template name. I'll use Demo. Then choose a category, such as Sales. Now enter your main message content. For example, Welcome to Meta. Next, scroll down to the Button section and click Add Button. The first option is a quick reply button. Let's create a button called Interested. Click Add Button again and choose the CTA URL button. Here you can add your website link. For example, set the button text as Visit Us and paste your website URL. Click Add Button once more and choose the CTA Phone button. Here you can add a phone number so customers can contact you directly. Set the button text to Call Now and enter your contact number. You can add up to 5 buttons in a single template. Let's add one more quick reply button called Unsubscribe. If a customer clicks this button, the software will automatically stop sending future messages to that contact. Finally, you can add an optional footer text, such as your company name or a thank you message. You can also add your company name or a thank you message in the footer section. You may upload an image as media for the template. If you have a large media file, simply paste its URL here. Once everything is configured, click on Create Template. A success message will appear, confirming that your template has been created successfully. Now that we have created a contact group and a template, let's move on to bulk messaging. Go to the bulk message section and click on Create Campaign. Enter a campaign name. For this demonstration, I'll use Demo. Next, select the WhatsApp number that will be used to send messages. You will see 2 message options: text message and template message. Since we already created a template, we'll select Template Message and choose our previously created template. Now, let's select the contacts. You can either choose an existing contact group or paste phone numbers directly. Since we already created a group, we'll select that group. Next comes the scheduling option. If you want to send messages immediately, select Send Immediately. If you want to schedule the campaign for a later date and time, you can configure it here. You may also create the campaign without starting it immediately. For this example, we'll choose Send Immediately. You can also define a delay range between messages. This allows you to set the minimum and maximum time gap between consecutive messages. After configuring the settings, click on Create and Send. Your campaign will be created successfully, and the messages will begin to be delivered to your selected contacts. Now let's explore the Warmer feature. The Warmer is designed to strengthen and improve the activity level of your WhatsApp numbers by simulating natural conversations between them. To create a Warmer campaign, enter a campaign name. I'll use Demo. The description field is optional. A minimum of 2 WhatsApp numbers is required for a Warmer campaign. Select the numbers you want to use, then enter a conversation script that defines how the numbers should interact with each other. To configure the minimum and maximum delay between messages, as well as the total duration for which the Warmer should run. Once everything is configured, click on Create Campaign. The warmer will start automatically, and the selected numbers will begin exchanging messages according to the configured conversation flow. Next, we have opt-out management. This section displays customers who have unsubscribed from your campaigns. All unsubscribed records will be available here for easy management. Now, let's look at the auto reply feature. Auto reply allows you to send automatic welcome messages whenever a new customer contacts your WhatsApp number. To set it up, click on Create Rule. Enter a rule name. For this example, I'll use Demo. Select the WhatsApp session or number for which you want to enable the auto reply. Then, enter the response message that should be sent automatically. Finally, click on Create Rule. Your auto reply configuration is now active. Next, we have the chatbot flow feature. With chatbot flow, you can define automated responses based on customer keywords. For example, if a customer sends hi, you can configure a predefined response. Click on Create Flow. Enter a flow name and description. For this demonstration, I'll use Demo. Select the WhatsApp number that will handle the chatbot responses. Then choose whether the chatbot should work for individual chats or group conversations.
In most cases, businesses use individual chats. Now define your trigger keywords. For example, let's create a keyword called interested. When a customer clicks on the interested button, you can define the response they should receive. Simply click on Add Node and enter the keyword again. Then configure the reply message associated with that keyword. For example, we can set the response as welcome. You can also send template messages as part of the automated response. Using the Add Node option, you can create multiple keywords and responses. For example, you can create a keyword such as hi and define a custom reply for it. Once all keywords and responses have been configured, click on Create Flow. Your chatbot flow will be created successfully. Next, let's look at the AI chatbot feature. Our software provides complete support for AI integration. If you wish to connect an external AI provider, you can easily integrate it according to your requirements. Now let's move to the call responder feature. The call responder automatically sends a message when specific call events occur on your WhatsApp number. For example, when a customer calls your WhatsApp number and the call is answered, you can automatically send a predefined message to that customer. To configure this, click on Create Rule. Enter a rule name, select the WhatsApp number, and choose the call type. You can configure rules for received calls, outgoing calls, missed calls, or rejected calls. For this example, we'll select Received Calls. Now enter the message that should be sent automatically after the call event. Finally, click on Create Rule to activate the call responder. Next, we have the follow-up feature. After running a campaign, you may want to send follow-up messages on a daily, weekly, monthly, or custom schedule. You can configure follow-ups directly from this section, select the scheduling type, and define when the follow-up should be sent. For example, after 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, or any custom period. This allows you to automate your customer engagement and follow-up process. Next is the live chat feature. Just like WhatsApp provides a chat section, our software also includes a dedicated live chat interface where you can manage customer conversations directly. Now let's explore the Group Grabber feature. This feature allows you to extract data from WhatsApp groups where your connected number is already a member. Simply select the groups and export the data to an Excel file whenever needed. The Manage Group section allows you to create, manage, and organize WhatsApp groups directly from the software. Next, we have Reports. The Reports section provides detailed campaign analytics, including message delivery statistics, campaign status, success rate, and overall performance. For example, the campaign we created earlier is currently running, and all related statistics can be monitored from this section. You can also export reports and access detailed campaign summaries whenever required. Now let's look at localization. Localization allows you to customize different sections of the dashboard. For example, if you want to rename a menu item such as Manage Group, simply open the localization settings and edit the label according to your preferences. This gives you complete control over the appearance and terminology used throughout the software. Next, let's move to Settings. From the Settings section, you can customize the software theme. You can switch between light mode, dark mode, or system default based on your preference. You can also select your preferred language. The App Updates section allows you to check for the latest software version. When you click Check for Updates, the system will display a confirmation message if you are already using the latest version. The Email Settings section allows you to configure email accounts and create email templates directly within the software. Now let's review some important bulk messaging settings. One important feature is the hook number. If you are running campaigns from multiple WhatsApp numbers but want all customer replies to be received on a single primary number, you can configure that primary number as the hook number. This centralizes all incoming responses into one location for easier management. Another important setting is sleep timing. This allows you to define how long the software should pause after sending a certain number of messages. You can also configure the default delivery range by setting minimum and maximum delays between messages. For example, you may set a minimum delay of 30 seconds and a maximum delay of 90 seconds. Once the configuration is complete, click on Save Settings. Finally, we have Backup and Restore. This feature allows you to create backups of your data and restore them whenever needed. You can also access the Data Management section to manage or delete stored data.
And that's a complete overview of our Windows WhatsApp marketing software. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more updates.